Very, very blessed and grateful. Alam mo, kami mga artista na sumasayaw sa mga TV shows, kaya nagiging maganda pag pinapanood nyo kami is dahil sa mga choreographers. Sila po talaga yung talagang nagtsatsaga at nagbubuhos ng kanilang oras para maturuan kami. So this concert tonight is a celebration for them because we want to honor them. Yes. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, I learned everything that I need to know about being an artista from Mother Maribeth Pichara, VIP dancers, and nakasama ko rin yung iba't ibang mga dancers from the 70s to the 90s. So it's such an honor to celebrate with all of you tonight. Thank you so much for your warm welcome and support, not only sa ating mga artista, but of course sa ating mga minamahal na dancers.